Good afternoon to you. Cloudy skies out there today, outbreaks of rain moving through, and for many of us, a little on the breezy side too. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. We've got extensive cloud and outbreaks of rain sliding their way through many locations. The rain at its steadiest across western zones through parts of the West Country, Wales, into the Irish Sea, the Isle of Man and the southwest of Scotland. Some misty low cloud associated with this rain, particularly across higher ground of the west. Quite brisk winds, and after a chilly and in places frosty and foggy start, temperatures will recover. Highs of 11 or 12 degrees further west this afternoon, and then through this evening that area of rain makes some headway eastwards. A soaking wet end of the day for some of us, a very soggy evening rush hour, and then the rain pulls away into the small hours. So drier conditions into the new day, some blustery showers across the northwest of Scotland, a little wintry across the Highlands with lower temperatures here, feeling a little chilly, otherwise nowhere near as cold as last night and staying frost free. See you soon. Hello to you again, a very good evening. Some notable wet weather to come in the next 24 hours. Outbreaks of rain for many of us, brisk, at times gusty winds, and all the while staying mild for the middle of December. Today's rain makes some headway through the southeast into the near continent. A dry respite before the next system rolls in from the southwest. Several hours of pouring rain and quite gusty, blustery winds, and then an improvement come the end of the week. A little drier, a little brighter. Welcome winter sunshine makes a return with a few blustery showers into parts of Scotland, and again temperatures a little above average for the time of year. In the next few hours, today's rain really gets its act together, rolling its way from west to east. A soaking wet ends the night for some, and the rain gradually eases into the near continent come dawn. And come the early hours, just a few blustery showers into the northwest of Scotland. A wintry mix across the Highlands. Temperatures dip a few degrees here. A touch of ground frost in the most sheltered glens. Otherwise frost-free, nowhere near as cold as last night. But generally speaking, a lot of cloud into the new day. Pockets of mist and murk across the south and the southeast. Quite gloomy here. And then we'll see this rain making some headway in from the south through the course of the day. A drier start across Scotland and the north of England, but the rain becoming extensive come the afternoon. Several hours of pouring and stagnant rain to come. It will be persisting for much of the day. A soaking wet scene out there, quite gusty, blustery winds to accompany the rainfall, gales around the coasts, and temperatures a little higher than you'd expect for the time of year across many locations, highs of 12 or 13 degrees. A big improvement come Friday, better and brighter away from those blustery showers across Scotland. Winter sunshine returns for many of us. A very good evening to you. Windy, wet weather to come in the next 24 hours. Lots going on, and all the while staying mild for mid-December. As we go into the small hours, the remnants of the overnight rain pulls away from the southeast. Here's some misty low cloud left behind. Some blustery showers into parts of Scotland, a wintry mix across the Highlands. Temperatures dip a few degrees, a touch of ground frost in sheltered glens, otherwise frost-free and nowhere near as cold as it was last night. But lots of cloud into the new day as we see that area of rain make some headway in from the southwest. A drier start across Scotland and northern England, but for all of us, we'll see extensive rain as the day wears on. Several hours of heavy, persistent rain. It will be pouring in many locations. A soaking wet afternoon, challenging conditions on the roads, lots of surface water and spray giving poor visibility, and quite brisk winds, particularly around those southern coasts, gales for a time, and temperatures remain a little above average for the time of year. A big improvement into Friday, bright and blustery with winter sunshine set to return. See you soon.